But before I start on today's video, I would like to introduce our new Instagram account at LSFT Videos. You can see some daily updates on my NX 450H Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos, and you can reach out to me directly via direct messaging on Instagram if you have any questions. And now, let's start with today's video. Hey, it's LSFT here today, and today I'm here to give you guys some bad news. Well, some will say it won't impact them, so it's not bad news to them. But if you are the one who likes Cadmium Orange, well, at that point, this is bad news for you. So I have news that Cadmium Orange, the code color 4Y1, will be dropped from September 2023 production. And this is actually from Canada. So I don't know if this impacts other markets, but definitely in Canada, starting September 2023, they will not be producing any more Cadmium Oranges. And this is not just for production in Canada, this is production in Japan as well, because the NX 450H Plus is available in Cadmium Orange and it will be dropped. So if you are in Canada and you have a Cadmium Orange NX waiting for it, if you're waiting and you have an order for it, I highly suggest you reaching out to your dealership and ask about this news. And also for other markets, I don't know if this is going to happen, but you should try and confirm this with your dealership or not. They should actually have like a vehicle ordering guide that actually have these updates, so they should know that will Cadmium Orange be dropped. So in Canada, what gets impacted here? So Cadmium Orange is only available on the F-Sport handling packages. So we don't get the hybrid, meaning the 350H F-Sport, so there is no Cadmium Orange on the 350H F-Sport. And the only ones impacted is the 350, where you have the F-Sport trim, and also the 450H Plus with the F-Sport handling. So those two models will not have Cadmium Orange starting September 2023. This wouldn't be an issue back in the days where there are no shortages and you don't need to wait and order a vehicle, because you would just buy it off the lot and whatever colors are available, and if they didn't have it, they can get it from another dealership, or they would just order it and have very short wait times. But now when you order it, especially the 450H Plus, where you have like 12 to 16 months of wait time, it's going to take some time. And if you're saying they're going to cut it in September, which is about 3 months from now, or even 2 months from now, it's going to be a little bit hard to get that color, right? I've also heard that vehicles are actually starting to arrive earlier than promised. So it is definitely getting better, but still, the 450H Plus is still having long wait times. This is actually not new trends. Lexus has been doing this even on the first generation NX. And let's have a look at it and see what has happened in the color trend in the NX for the first generation. So according to this chart, the 2015 NX 200T, it came in atomic silver, eminent white, fire agate pearl, which I've never seen before, matador red mica, meteor blue mica, nubile gray pearl, obsidian, and silver lining metallic. So my 2015 was actually the nubile gray pearl. And some of these colors I don't think that was available in Canada as well. But it's obviously, you can see, they were very dull, dark colors. And you switch over to the 2015 F Sport, you notice that some colors are also dropped. But the ultrasonic blue was added as an F Sport exclusive color. So now looking at 2016 colors, you have noticed some colors have changed. Remember I was saying it was quite dull? Now we're actually seeing some lighter colors. So you see the atomic silver, the autumn shimmer, which is brown as well, but it seems to be a lighter brown. And then we have the blue Voltrex, and then we have the eminent white, matador red mica, nubile gray pearl, obsidian, and silver lining metallic. So now I've put 2015 on the top, and you can see that they offer exactly the same amount of colors. But the difference you see here is the brown is now a lighter brown, and the blue is also a lighter blue. Maybe they've actually heard that, oh, it was just too dark, and that's why they've made lighter color NXs in 2016. So in 2016, you notice that the white is now ultra white and not eminent white pearl. That was one change that they've done in 2016 as well. So you can see 2015 on the top, 2016 on the bottom. The only difference in the F Sport trim is the white. So 2017, you saw the first orange, and this was actually a very bright orange that they've introduced in the 2017 NX. And then you can notice that eminent white pearl disappeared. Ultra white came in. And when we compare from previous year, that autumn shimmer disappeared, so that was only available in 1 year. And the blue Voltrix also disappeared as well. So you can see previously they've done a lot of work in doing different colors in different years. And 2017, according to this, seemed to be a little bit different. It had the F Sport colors even on the regular trim, so I don't know if that was true or not. I do believe that 2017 colors were incorrect in the previous slide, because the F Sport and the 2017 were exactly the same colors. But I do know that in Canada, that orange was only available on the F Sport, as well as the ultrasonic blue, also the ultra white. So I'm assuming those three colors were F Sport exclusive, and eminent white pearl was still available on the regular colors. If you own a 2017 and you have the eminent white, let me know in the comments below. So 2018, if you look at 2018, the autumn shimmer came back, but now blue Voltrix is still here as well. But now the black became caviar. Eminent white pearl is still there, atomic silver, nubile gray pearl, silver lining metallic, and matador red mica. All of them were still there. So it looks like in 2018 they brought back the 2016 colors, but now the black became caviar rather than obsidian. So you see here in the F Sport trims, ultrasonic blue mica 2, so the second version of the ultrasonic blue, came on the 2018 refresh NX. The molten pearl orange continued to be there, ultra white is the white, and then obsidian is the black. So in 2018 they streamlined the F Sport colors, and orange was still available in 2018. So 2019, you notice that nothing really has changed in the 2019, the standard colors. They're all there, nothing has alternated. But then in 2019, they dropped the orange color. So orange was only available in 2 years, according to this chart, right? So 2020, the brown got dropped. Orange has dropped as well, but now cadmium orange came up. Caviar is still the black, eminent white pearl, and all those standard colors remained. So in the F Sport, cadmium orange was added to the 2020 F Sport trim, and silver lining was dropped. So 2021, we can see that cadmium orange is still here, but the blue Voltrix has disappeared. But now we have the nori green pearl, and when you compare it, you can see same number of colors, but blue Voltrix disappeared. And in 2021, nothing really has changed compared to 2020 in the F Sport trims. Cadmium orange continues, ultrasonic mica 2, ultra white, and all the standard colors. So 2022, brand new second generation NX, and you can see here we have a lot more brighter colors, and the colors have actually changed a lot. When you compare it to the previous year, you notice that atomic silver stays. That seems to be always there. Cadmium orange continues, caviar, and then now we have cloudburst gray. Eminent white pearl is here. Grecian water is the new blue. The nori green pearl was brand new last year, is now available in the second generation as well, and red line. So the nubile gray pearls was available since 2015, has now been dropped in the second generation NX. The matador red mica was actually replaced by red line as well. The F Sport trim also had similar changes. We see matador red mica now being red line, and the nubile gray pearl is now cloudburst gray. Other than that, all the colors remained. So by just reviewing the first generation and the first year of the second generation NX, you would notice that Lexus will be dropping colors and adding new colors the year after. So dropping Cadmium Orange would actually mean that there will be a different color coming in 2025. Also, based on the history of the NX, 2025 seems to be a year for a mid-cycle refresh, which means you may get new headlight designs, new colors, maybe new backlights, or even the light bar will change. It may reflect to the new RX design. Nobody really knows. Maybe we'll start seeing a unified spindle body. Maybe, maybe not. Really don't know. But I would say we will have to wait for the 2025 information to get announced in the upcoming months, or maybe even a year. So here we have it. Officially, we're here to say goodbye, Cadmium Orange, for the NX, and who knows, it may return in a few years. I do know that my Cadmium Orange NX 450h Plus F Sport would be a very rare NX, and there won't be that many produced. And on the road, I know that I really haven't seen that many NXs that are Cadmium Orange where I live. I know that there is another one. I've seen another one on the road. And I know that Lexus Canada had a press car when they launched in 2022, and that one was Cadmium Orange. The interior of that one was a white interior as well. I know that I'm not the only one who owns a Cadmium Orange in Canada, so if you own one, leave in the comments below just to say hi that you own an NX Cadmium Orange. So until next time, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, and share this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that alert button to get notified when new videos are posted. If you'd like to support the channel, you can definitely provide a super thanks. I'll see you guys again next time in the next video.